Hello everyone. At my last event, my live well pump went out. And today, I'm going to show you how to repair it and where you can find it. And this video is in collaborations with my good friends at Parts View. So come on, let's get started. Okay, the aerator is located in the splash well in the battery compartment back there. But before you get to the aerator, you'll have to remove any objects that's in the way. Mine just happens to be the power pole pump. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that. And if you'll look down here in the splash well, you can see the pump is seated into a little cup that holds it. And the way you get it out is just reach in. While pushing the button, you twist it and it comes right out. Now that we have it unseated, let's check to see if it actually worked. I do have the power on and we should see it spinning. Well, I guess it doesn't work. So let's go ahead and disconnect it from its power source. And all you have to do is unclip it here by pushing the little side piece. Let's go ahead and get it out the way so we can get ready to install the new one. I am replacing my aerator with a Rule. That's the same one I had before. It sits right in the seat below. And this aerator is available at partsview.com. Now we'll go ahead and install the new aerator. We'll just plug the power back in and we'll test it to make sure it's working. Turn the power back on. There we go. The propeller is spinning. There we go. It's spinning freely. Well, that's all it takes. We'll get it set back in the seat. All you got to do is set it back in the seat, push it in, twist it, turn it, and that's all it takes. We're set for the next event. Well, that wasn't so hard. And remember, all parts are available at partsview.com. And while you're there, hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. Thanks for joining me today.